Hello everyone. Today we will learn about HEC-RAS modeling, in which we will install Culvert, and we will see how we can install the Culvert in HEC-RAS model. In previous videos, we learned about 2D modeling in HEC-RAS. We know how we have to assign geometry in HEC-RAS model, how we have to create 2D geometry, how we can give the uh, cell like size and everything. In HEC-RAS, you can do like hydraulic modeling. So you can also assign the hydraulic structures in the HEC-RAS model. The model which we created in previous videos is saved in the drive. So first of all, we have to open this project like trial I have created. So I opened this project in HEC-RAS, and here we can first of all open RAS mapper, and we will able to see there is a geometry. I can check this geometry. Previously we have created this geometry, and let me let me zoom it. So this is the geometry, 2D geometry, which we have created. This is the upstream boundary condition, this is the downstream boundary condition. And in previous video we also install a levy here to show the impact of that levy. Like it is flow is tied to the levy, and it goes toward this direction, and the flow is reduced toward this direction. So we can use this type of structure to mitigate the flood, and to reduce the impact of the life and everything will be impacted by the flood. So we can reduce all these things by doing this type of work. In next part, I am going to install one culvert. Like if one road is coming from this direction and is passing towards this direction, then we have to give one bridge or a culvert on depending on the river width and everything. So first of all, I'm going to install a bridge or culvert. So to do that, we have to, like, here I have created that. I am just showing you. So I have separated the geometry, like this is a raw geometry where I didn't install anything. And after that, I have clicked right click on this geometry, and I have again save geometry as. So I give the name geometry culvert, and this is the geometry. So here what I did here, first of all, I have given one break line. like it will give you where your flow is going from where to matlab, what is your upstream, what is your downstream, and you want to align the things, you want to create something along this like within this back line. So I have created one break line, and I have like that here the cell size is 25 by 25, so I have given here 10 by 10. And with break line I have created a refinement section. Like I have created one refinement section from here upstream towards this downstream. So I also give the cell size for 10 by 10 to this refinement section. And yeah, you know that if cell size is very small, it will give more accurate result, and the flow will follow a proper path, and it will calculate the things properly. So fine cell give you more accuracy. So to create anything, any structure, you have to you have to give this type of refinement, because the outer cell size are 25 by 25, and this is very coarse. If you the structure cannot properly adhere with these cells. So this type of work to do. And yeah, so I have did like I have to click on this refinement, right click, edit, and after that you have to start from the leftward towards this. You have to create a polygon like this, and after that you have to go, like when you click here, you will see there is a tab, edit refinement region. You have to give the xy uh, xy cell size. I am giving this spacing is, this is the outer spacing, and far spacing is 10 I have given. So similarly, break line I also give 10 spacing. And after giving all these things, you have to give like you have to click on SA and 2D connection here, and then you have to click here to here. Then it will create a line, and on that you can you right click, and if you want to edit, it will ask you width. So I have given 20-meter width of this road. Okay, 20-meter width of the road I have given to this. And after that you have to do this enforce all 2D connection as break line. You have to click on this, again you have to click on this enforce, again you have to click on this enforce all break line, and after that you have to click on 2D like force recompose all these meshes. So you have to after doing all these things, you have to save your mod, you have to save the things. After saving, you can minimize it or cut it. After that you have to go here in geometry. So when you go in geometry, you will find, let me select that color geometry. When you select this geometry, you will find here there is a structure. First of all, you have to click here and you have to enforce, you have to click on this enforce internal connection as backline, and it will create a proper SS2D connection. After that you have to edit your connection. So for edit your connection, when you go to edit, like it will show you like this type of opening. These are the opening, like this originally or initially these are total, these are opening, but means this the initially it is like it comes from here like this and this. So this type of a structure, this type of cross section you will see initially, but after that these are whole opening from where water is flowing originally, but we want to create a road over here. This is a little bit down. You can make it straight by doing like here the elevation is 98.5, so you can give 98.5 everywhere. If you give 98.5 everywhere, like you have to delete this 98.5. Okay, you have to copy and paste everywhere 98.5, 98.5, 98.5, 98.5. You will get this type of straight this is a similar elevation line, and from where a road is passing properly, you will go from this direction to this direction. This is your road. Uh, this is your road. You have to put this road like this. So you have to come from this direction, you will go toward this direction. You have to come this direction, you will go this direction. So perpendicular to this, this is the opening. I have filled all this opening which are initially here. So I have given the same elevation. You will this may be put by concrete and anything. So what I have given this what material is here. I have given to the model the elevation is here. The same elevation should be here and everywhere. So model will understand like this is a impervious and a levee. This is a levee of approx 98.5 meter elevation. So it will stop your water which comes from this direction. Then you have to give one opening or one, two, three, four. How many you can give according to you, like on the basis of river width, flow, discharge, and everything. On the basin, you have to design your culvert size, shape, everything. So you have to give one culvert, one, two, three on your feasibility. You can give culverts here. So for trial purpose, I have given one culvert here. So to give the culvert, you have to click on culvert here. Like I have given box culvert, I have given 5 meter rise, means height of this culvert from bottom is 5 meter. Okay, 5 meter. I can give it till this 98.5 approx 2 meter. 2 more meter I can give this height of this culvert. This is a box culvert, and I have given this span is 20 meter. You can increase this span like 40 meter. You can give uh, when you click here, you can see the size is changed. So after that, like here, I have given the span size box type culvert, and you can select like I'm giving. This box is a rectangular concrete box. The length I have taken length means like I have given the road deck size is 20 meters. So I have to give here 20 meter length of the culvert. Like width of the road is 20 meters. So culvert start from here to here. So minimum 20 meter you have to give. So this is the entrance concrete coefficient or exit concrete coefficient. Loss, this is the loss coefficient. This is the loss coefficient, not concrete and anything. This is loss coefficient. This is Manning's coefficient of top and bottom of the concrete. Okay, and next I have given only one barrel at a particular station. Like when I start SA2D connection from here to here, so the zero will start from here. Okay, similarly here in this you can see from 0 to 578 meter. This length is this road length is from 0 to 578 meter. So at which station you have to apply, you want to apply. So I applied here. I have given a station to it like 245 at half of uh, this length. I have given this given the culvert station. So at 245 meter from here, I have given this culvert and upstream invert elevation and downstream invert elevation. So what elevation is here and what elevation is here? Like this is upstream, this is downstream. So this is 20 meter width, means length of culvert is 20 meter. So what elevation here and what elevation here, you can find it in DEM. Okay, and if you want to see the elevation, like here you have to click, you will find 91.3 is elevation, 3 is the elevation. So I have applied 91.3 elevation here, and I have given minimum slope. So here I have given 91.3 upstream, 91.2 downstream. I have given little bit slope, so flow can pass easily. So this by doing this you can apply and give the culvert. Like if you want to give more culvert, like second culvert you want to give, like I have given a 245 one culvert. The size of culvert is 40 meter. Like initially take 20 meter. So at 245 I have given one culvert. Then and second culvert I can give at 270. Like 260 till 265 you can't give another culvert. At 270 you can give. So here you can see there is two culvert is assigned here. So after that you have to cut it and you have to save this geometry with culvert. Okay, and after that you have to go in RAS mapper. And after going in RAS mapper you have to click on this and you have to recalculate it, compute 2D flow again. And after calculating this you have to close it and you have to run this model. and here you have to select Culvert geometry and you have to run it. And after running the model, when your model will run successfully, then you will get a result
वीडियो
like
पसंद है तो प्लीज इसे
then
लाइक
you will
कीजिए,
get
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब